Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on that view button. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today I wanted to do a video using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys know that I bought this and I was kind of disappointed in the first impression of it. I tried it again today and came up with this look. If you want to see how I came up to this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so my brows are done and you guys can see that it's not very bold, which is why, as much as I like the formula, the shade of it is not really my thing. But when you use concealer on brows, they always look a lot more defined. And for today, my concealers would be my Elegant Pro concealers, which I use most times. I have some other concealers like my Becca and my MAC, but I kind of use those for like if I'm actually going somewhere or if I am working on a client's face, because those are really good. The Pro concealer is good too, but I don't know, I rather use these when I'm experimenting because they are very inexpensive and more affordable than the others. So I am using Toast for the top and Warm Honey for the bottom. I put it on the back of my hand because I do like to use the actual tubes on my face or any makeup product. I really try my best not to use it on my face or on client's face because it's not very hygienic. So I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and I'm going to be using my brush. I've seen a lot of people use foundation to the top of their brows and I understand why it gives it a more natural look, but most times when I start my makeup, I don't even know what foundation I'm going to use. I don't even know what look I'm going to do really. So for now, I will continue with using the concealer until or unless I have a better idea so what my look is going to be. Alright guys, so today I am going to use one of my not so loved but needs to be used palettes, which is my BHCOSMETICS Take Me Back to Brazil. I've used this palette probably once and honestly I don't think it's very pigmented. I don't know if it is I got an old palette or if there's something wrong with the palette or if I don't have the proper brushes. I'm not sure what the issue is, but I am going to make this palette work because I need to make sure that I use or get proper use out of my money that I would have spent to purchase it. So I'm going to start with this purple here, and you guys know I love purple eyeshadow. I'm going to try to step away from it a bit, but today I'm going to be using some purple. Okay, so I'm going to start with some purple. Alright, so this palette doesn't really have a black in it, but it has this really dark. Oh wait, look at how black in it here. Okay, well I guess we're using this black here. I'm going to use this black and I'm just going to define the crease area. So I'm already not liking the way this looks patchy, but I'm still gonna go ahead and try to make it work. Let me get an example here, and I'm just going to try to diffuse the edges. Because no matter what, this look has to work. Okay. Alright, so this is looking messy as hell, but we are going to make it work. And as you guys can see, a lot of the spots that I would have passed over the different shades, they are not mixing. It's actually kind of, the more I try to blend the color, the more the color is removed. But we're gonna keep going because we ain't got no choice at this point, right? Because I'm not taking this off to start over. Okay? So I'm gonna cut the crease. We'll mark in with the black. Taken from the purple that we had started off with. And now I'm using this lighter purple here for the rest of my lid. I am using my e.l.f. tone adjusting face primer, and you guys know what I feel, how I feel about primer. I can't say for sure if it makes a difference. To me, the only time that I use primer and it makes that big a difference is if I use Calamine lotion. Really and truly. So I'm going to prime my face, and then I am going to decide what foundation I am using today. So So for foundation today, I am using my Maybelline New York 24-hour foundation in Truffles, which is this. And to me, it's always very difficult to get your perfect shade of foundation. I think that when I put everything together on my face, this foundation actually works for me, but I try not to put too much. So this is the foundation that I am using today. So to highlight and contour, I'm using my Elgo Pro Concealers. I'm using for my under eye area, I will be using Toffee, which will be for my highlighted areas, and for my low light areas, I am using Truffles, which is kind of dark, but that's what we're using. Okay, and you guys know all the areas that we use them for. Highlight under your eyes. Forehead. Or in my case, forehead. Down the nose. Under your mouth. And you try not to go wider than your lips. Hair, if you want to go on this side here, some people go there, it's up to you. And well, I try not to contour or to cut, what is called this? Whatever it's called this, I try not to do that all the time, because I could always use the excess from my brush to do that. And let me put my contour areas one time, which is here. Yeah, I don't do too much here, but I'm gonna still do a little to give my nose a little definition and around my forehead. Alright, so today to set, I am using my Sacha Buttercup. And only my Sacha Buttercup, because I'm not feeling to use too many different powders. And when you use the Sacha, you could use it on all the areas. So what I do, I put it on the main areas, the main highlight areas first. And then after a couple of seconds, I don't leave it for a couple of minutes, just a couple of seconds, I use a brush and I just distribute it to the rest of my face, so that the highlighted point will still get a bit more setting powder than the rest of my face, but the entire face will set with the Buttercup. So I did my liner and mascara, and I used a thicker liner this time, and that I went a little thicker than usual, and I actually like the way it looked. Normally when you have hooded eyes, you have to be very careful how you put liner, but because I cut the crease so high, I can be a little more bold with the liner itself. So now I'm going to line my waterline using this black Lancome pencil in Noir number 1, and then I will finish up with my under eye, and we will continue the look from there. Alright, for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to use this shade here from my Beauty Glaze palette in the shade Twilight. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put on my lashes, and of course I use my Shop Kenty Beauty lashes in Dual, and I'm gonna go ahead with my concealer with my highlight and blush, and I'm using my Kilowatt in Afternoon Snack and More Honey, as I always use. I just probably never ever say the name, and my Note blush in Desert Rose. For my lip combo, I am using my Lorac Pro in, I think this is Black Currant. I don't have the name on it, but I think it was Black Currant if I remember correctly, and my Colourpop in Exaggerated. Alright guys, so this is the end result. As always, let me know what you think about it in the comment. Now, I tried my best to do a talk through video with you guys, and I know I haven't been doing a lot of them lately, especially with the kids around, but I'm trying to find ways to work around it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys do enjoy the talk through videos more, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well as Stacey and TT, where I post most of my looks. In fact, all of my looks, even the ones that I don't do YouTube videos for, I post them on Instagram. And that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.